things. Wanted to let you know that Gloria and I are at a Prudential California Realty Managers meeting here in Irvine, California. We've been listening to a top expert in the United States on social media. And what we've learned is that this is the fourth largest change in media since the beginning, meaning that social media is, since the invention of the newspaper press, the telephone, and radio and television. So what this means for our future is huge. And I want you to know that Prudential California Realty is on the leading edge. And so is our Lead Me To You program. It is going to be incredible as this program continues to develop and perfect the results that you're going to see in your business. Matter of fact, I would say after being in these meetings and listening to the experts here, that what we are doing is absolutely essential to the future of our businesses in real estate. Secondly, I wanted to update you on the homebuyer's tax credit that is due to expire at the end of this month, and let you know that the Senate yesterday looks like they are pushing forward a bill that will extend that tax credit through the end of April of next year. So that's great news for us to get more home buyers into the marketplace, purchasing property and taking advantage of that tax credit. Now, it may also be that that tax credit is going to be extended, perhaps on a little bit lower level. I'm hearing $6,500 to any home buyer, whether they're a first-time home buyer or not, as long as they are a move-up buyer who's been in their previous residence for the last 5 years. And this is great news because this will help us create some of the move-up market that we are currently missing. So I just want to give you a quick update on that. We're going to be getting some information out in the social medias to your spheres of influence about the home buyer's tax credit and what your past clients and friends can help do to make sure that this tax credit gets extended. Look forward to seeing you in a couple days. Have a great productive day.